Where'd that come from?
The ground in our garden.
Oh my God, that's huge. Let's go grab some more.
Okay. Hi, welcome to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Lucy, and today we're gonna start picking sweet potatoes.
All right. Oh, I see some.
I see two
look at
stuck
that.
together.
This variety was called the Mahon Yam. It's supposed to be really sweet. You gotta use your muscles.
I pulled the roots out.
That's okay. I'll help you. Whoa, all right, keep going. So,
what this kind of looks like? It kind of looks like a squash.
you think?
Kind of looks like a curved pumpkin, like Popeye's smoker.
I think it looks like a sweet potato. Don't be smoking that sweet potato, weirdo.
Popeye's smoker.
This raised bed, I believe, is about 2 feet, maybe a little bit over 2 feet wide, and about 6 feet long. And I planted 2 rows, one here and one there, and then I planted them about 12 inches apart in each of these rows, 12 inches apart. And here's the pile so far. There's only just one little part of it. Doing really good. See that? Wow. So
now look at all our big sweet potatoes.
we only went through half the bed, and we got that many. We'll have to weigh that and see how much we got at the end. We still got to get all these guys. You see one? Oh yeah. You pull it? A little guy. French fry potatoes. That's a nice one.
Weird one. It's
Kinda-
like doubled.
It looks like an octopus without all the legs. It's like a curly carrot at the end. There's more in here, huh? Cool.
Lots. And now I'm digging them up.
All right. Our pile's getting pretty big.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
And a couple of feet back.
That's gonna feed us for a long time.
For the winter, yeah.
Good job helping, Matthew.
I like the inside of the sweet potato.
What's that?
I like the inside of sweet potatoes.
Because they taste like candy?
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice little cluster there.
Hurry to get off.
Oh. Be careful, you don't want to rip the flesh. Yeah.
Oh, potato finger.
What do you think of this harvest? We pulled all these out of about 12 square foot bed. What do you think, bud? Did we do good? What do you think, Lucy?
I think we did a pretty good job, and we're gonna work on another bag too.
So we're gonna have to weigh how much pounds this is from this one bed. So we did 2 beds here basically that are just sweet potatoes. Although earlier this year, I actually had garlic in one or both of them. I don't remember. At least one of them was garlic. So I planted the sweet potatoes late, and I still got them to that nice size. In this bed, I planted some called Lilac Purple or Lilac Beauty. I forget what it was called, but it was from Baker Creek. And it's a very purple, beautiful sweet potato. Purple on the outside, purple flesh on the inside. And we're gonna harvest these for the first time. They've been in the ground for a really long time, and I'm hoping for a really good harvest. It's cool that Baker Creek has these unique varieties like those dark purple. I think it's a Vietnamese variety. I'll have to look that up on their page bio. But the other half of this bed also is your regular orangey sweet potato. I got some free slips from a local farm store that we go to. You want me to pull it out? We'll have to cut this open later, but look how beautiful and purple that is. Dark
Beautiful.
purple. All right, let's keep digging.
There was a really big potato.
I could barely, I don't want to break
under
it.
Here.
Ow, Matthew, back up.
That we can't even dig it out.
Oh, okay. Hang on. I don't want to break it. Oh, man.
Just dig really far.
Oh. You getting that? Ah.
Yeah. There's one.
Oh, that's beautiful. Here, oh, you could actually see the flesh a little bit on the inside by accident. Look how bright, like pink, purple that is. Beautiful. Let me try to get this one. Oh my gosh! Look how big that is.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get a closer look.
That's beautiful. It's almost like a baby. I'm gonna put it to sleep. Ah. What should we name it?
We should name it purple potato.
Okay.
Let's see if we find any more.
There's more. They went deep in there. I don't want that.
It hit the. Looks like it hit the.
It went all the way down to the floor. Yeah.
Look how pretty that is.
Oh man.
There's a mom and a baby.
So pretty. They're huge.
They are huge.
There's not as many in a cluster as there were for the Mahon yam variety, but the ones that we are pulling out are really, really big, huge size, which is cool to see. These grew super deep in the soil. Oh my gosh, some of these are so big. They're so like, almost looks like one of your gel pens, how sparkly and bright they are.
And pink they are.
Yeah, that is very, very nice. So. Show the pile.
And this is how much we've got so far.
We didn't get a lot of slips to start with. I might have only had like 10 slips that they gave me. Maybe it was 5, I don't know. But got a lot more than that. Oh man. Cool.
Would you look at that?
Wow. Yeah, they're down there.
Looks like mama and daddy.
You can almost see the inside of it when I pulled the end off there. See, it's like white and pink.
Actually, it's purple and pink.
Yeah, purple and pink.
Oh, purple and white. Kind of looks like a radish.
Yeah.
Inside of a radish.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it does kind of look like that, doesn't it? When I did this raised bed, I did a hugelkultur method, which is basically putting sticks and logs on the bottom. And these sweet potatoes grew down into that. And the way it works is that they break down and actually add to the soil up top. So it's a deep bedding system that works over a long period of time. And yeah, these ones we got for free didn't do so hot. It's cool that they're kind of a yellowish color.
Are those the one we got at America Conference?
No, we got those for free from the farm store nearby. But these we got from Baker Creek, and really happy with these. I want to grow slips from these for next year so that we could have our own unique variety of sweet potatoes that will just grow here for us. And maybe we'll save enough or grow enough slips that we could bring some to market next year. Some of our pretty purpley pink sweet potatoes. But that's gonna be all for now. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
All these potatoes in this bin, and we're gonna do.
We have to cure them, so we have to let them sit. We're gonna put them in our greenhouse for like a week or two. And what's supposed to happen, I think, is that the plants absorb the sugars inside, kind of, and then they'll be sweeter when we eat them. So it'll help them store for the long term. So that's my plan, to put them in the greenhouse for a little bit, and then we'll probably eat the ones like this that we accidentally broke the ends off. Be careful.
Do I say something to the camera, Matthew?
Lucy's recording you. Do you want to say anything? No. Are you shy on camera?
You could say, hello, my name's Matthew.
And this is the Veggie Boys and Girls. No?
No, that's not our channel.
No.
You are so funny, Matthew.
Thanks, buddy. You helping me?
Aw. You're a nice boy, Matthew.
You're a good boy. Oh, I'm very happy with how many we grew. We definitely didn't grow this many last year.
Of course we didn't.
I
Because
tried
our greenhouses blew away.
I tried to grow them in ground, but the beds weren't deep enough. Like these were like 2 feet deep at least, so we got really nice growth. In our 400 square foot garden, I did one raised bed full of sweet potatoes, the same Mehan yam variety that we pulled out of that first bed. That bed is a little bit larger. It's 3 feet wide by 6 feet long, so about 18 square feet. And I did 3 rows of sweet potatoes in that one, so I'm curious how the yields compare, because while that had more square footage, this bed had deeper soil. So the raised beds over there were only like 6 feet of, or 6 inches
Matthew,
of soil.
say
So we'll
I
see.
like helping Daddy. You like helping Daddy?
You gonna grab all those little French fries?
Not too close.
What'd you say? Something about our phone? All right, you put it in. That's it, buddy. Oh, there's one more there. Thanks for helping.
Can you show the people on the video? Can you show the people?